How to connect Squarespace domain to Hostinger. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to connect your Squarespace domain to your Hostinger. So first, you just have to simply open your Hostinger, log into your account here. If you don't have an account, you can create an account using your Google account. And then once you have your account, this is what it looks like. So you have to make sure that you have upgraded your plan. So once you're here on your hosting, what you're going to do is you need to add a website. If you don't have one, you will be asked with these two options. So you can choose from any of this. Example, myself or business. And then here, what you're going to do next is you have to click this create the website. And then after that, you need to select what type of website do you want to build. For example, online store, blog, everything is up to you. So once you have selected any of this type of website right here, then what you're going to do next is you need to paste your domain here. So what you're going to do is you can now go to your Squarespace, log into your Squarespace, and then you need to copy your domain right here. You have to make sure that you have owned a domain here in Squarespace and then paste it right here. And then after that, tap next. So basically that's it. You just have to follow the next prompt, but that's how easy it is to simply connect Squarespace domain to Hostinger. I just want to remind you that you can't do this if you're using the basic version of Hostinger. You need to upgrade your plan in order for you to connect a domain. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.